Joint pain after 45 is not just aging. In most cases, it is inflammation driven by daily food choices. The right foods can calm pain, protect cartilage, and help you move freely again. Here are 7 foods that actively fight joint pain after 45. Food number 1, fatty fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel. These are rich in omega-3 fats that reduce joint inflammation, ease stiffness, and help lubricate joints. People who eat fatty fish regularly often notice less pain and better mobility. Food number 2, extra virgin olive oil. Olive oil contains powerful anti-inflammatory compounds that help reduce joint swelling and protect cartilage from breakdown when used consistently. Food number 3, berries. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are packed with antioxidants that protect joint tissue from damage. They also reduce inflammation that worsens pain. Food number 4, turmeric. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound shown to block inflammatory pathways linked to arthritis and stiffness. Pairing turmeric with black pepper and healthy fats makes it far more effective. Food number 5, leafy greens like spinach, kale, and collard greens. These provide vitamin K, magnesium, and plant antioxidants that support bone strength, joint stability, and reduced inflammation. Food number 6, nuts and seeds such as walnuts, almonds, flaxseeds, and chia seeds. They deliver healthy fats and minerals that support cartilage health. They also calm joint inflammation. Food number 7, bone broth. Bone broth supplies collagen and amino acids that help support cartilage repair and joint cushioning. This is especially important as natural collagen production declines with age. The key takeaway is simple. Joint pain after 45 is not inevitable. When you consistently choose foods that reduce inflammation and support joint repair, stiffness eases, movement improves, daily life becomes more comfortable.